Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. So first of all, you need to go to your browser, then in the search option you need to say here WhatsApp, download, and then press enter. And then you will see a lot of options, and here you can see download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac and PC. So just go to the www.whatsapp.com. So I'll just click here and it will take me to this page, and here you can see we have a download option here. So I'll click on this download option, it will start downloading, and there you can see the download is complete. So right now we just need to double click here in this WhatsApp installer.exe. If we just double click, it will start downloading. There you can see starting download, and it is around 90 MB, so it will take like 2 minutes to download, and there you can see the download is almost complete and it is done. So here you can see our WhatsApp open over here, and if we now click on getting started, then it will take you to this page. And right now what you need to do is that you need to go to your mobile, and you need to scan this QR code from your WhatsApp. Then you will be able to log in to your WhatsApp account in your device. So I hope this tutorial was useful for you. And let me just show you one more thing, that is, if we just go to the search bar and if we say over here WhatsApp, it will show you like this. So if we just right click here, and we can add it to our taskbar or to our start menu as well. So let me just click here, pin to taskbar, and there you can see WhatsApp is added here. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you are able to install WhatsApp on your device. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.